Namaste friends. I wanted to do the idol cleaning for the god idols. Last time when I did, Mama was saying, "Oh, it's burning." I was using the cleaning aids, and she was continuously saying, "Oh, it's burning, it's burning." And I got so scared. I didn't know how to clean it once without causing her pain. So I did research a lot this time, saying, "Oh, Ma, I don't want to subject you to so much pain." So I used I did a lot of research on the internet and found that okay, is there any natural ways I can clean these silver idols and brass idols? And they said use herbal tooth powder. So I cleaned it for 2 hours. See, look at my fingers; they became so black. But the idols were like as black. See, so blackish. I was not at all happy, and I asked Ma, "Amma, can you give me a hack?" Most of you who has been following my videos, I'm sure you must be knowing I have this psychic abilities to communicate with the divine realms, and because of that I do heal. I talk about your past lives and the reason for your recurring problems and stuff like that, isn't it so? So soon I'll be making a lot of videos about different past conditions that might be leading to some karmic bondages also, as guided by Ma. But at this point, I wanted to tell, how do I clean now? Without using harsh chemicals. If I'm using the salt and fingers, it's becoming black. But the idol is not turning as shiny as I would. I wish I want to see it her as. Then she told me, you send me back home to my place. Okay, if it is like all the Parivara gods to their homes temporarily, with confidence that they'll come back again, and using the mantra. So use the mantra to say Yadasthanam Pravesayami to each god, so that they go back to their homes, and then use whatever chemicals you want to use, brush you want to use to clean the gods. A lot of reverence. And once this is what she told me, that's the reason I'm sharing as I'm cleaning the idols. So once you clean and you feel that she is back to being super shining, all your gods and the Parivara gods, not just the feminine gods, even the male gods, Ganesha, Anjali Swami, Naga, Adisheshu, Subramanya Swami, all the gods. Then you can do Shodopachara Pooja. But this time when you're doing it, use ice water and mix it with a little of rose water to make it cool. And you can also use kumkum poo. What is kumkum poo called in English? I don't remember it. It's called It's available in Kashmir. You can use that, and you can do the Shodopachara Puja with it firstly, and then you may want to also, with ice, you can mix kumkum and do kumka snanam, and then you do turmeric with ice, and then do turmeric snanam, and then with sandalwood with ice, do sandalwood snan for the idol deities, whatever is the size. And then after doing that, maybe you can do the Prana Pratishta mantra, so that the goddess is again activated here, energized in our idols. So the goddess Swarupa. So that way we are also guilt free that, oh God, I am not cleansing my gods to being very shiny and clean. At the same time, I don't have to have this guilt that, oh my God, if I am using brush, is it paining to her or him? Is it harsh? And I don't have to also compromise on my idols not being clean, because I'm not using these literally shining lights which we are so used to do it before. So that's something I wanted to share with you all. So next time if you're cleaning your idols, just send them back home, then do Shodapachara Puja where you are doing your Avahanam. So inviting, you are giving your Arkyam, Padhyam. Just do it with honey dipped water or rose water with ice, and then later on you can use your the same ice to mix with sandalwood, turmeric, kumkum, and then pour it on each idols and make them feel like they're warm and comfy. If you want to decorate them, after that you give them Panchamrita Snanam. Then it completes the total regime. Alright? So once I keep all these idols back after dipping it for 15 minutes in the rose water, just to make sure, okay, that she's fine. They're all, that harshness has gone away from the idols' surfaces. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same ice. I'm gonna mix in haldi, kumkum and sandalwood paste and do a Shodapachara Puja and Snanam. I'll take bath all these idols with the turmeric paste, sandalwood paste and turmeric paste and haldi kumkum paste, and then I'm gonna do the Prana Pratishta mantra. That way they're all like, see, they're very good the way I wanted them to be, sparkly clean. Along with it, they're also not feeling the intensity of these harsh chemicals. So if you like this content, please subscribe it so that you can learn a lot of authentic information directly channeled from the divine Jagannatha herself, and learn more about yantras, puja vidhanams, then the ways to release our karma, let go of our beliefs, take actions. That is what is siddhis, right? You have to take action end of the day. So, and learn the life lessons we are here for. Okay? Alright then. Namaste and Sarvam Sri Jagan Mata